Okay, it's 11:30. Where are we? There we go. Here we go. What?
During potentially dangerous weather situations, especially when receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Test subject signal is normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey, every Wednesday between
Here we go.
11 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of severe weather during the normal test time, the test will be postponed to
Here goes everything over here. Oh, Legiani. Oh no.
Receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard in Philadelphia. Test subject signal by the National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey, every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. In Delaware, if there is a threat of severe weather during the normal test time, the test will be
G already went off.
especially warning alarms to weekly Children Weather Radio, all hazards. Station KIH28 in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Thank you for listening to NOAA Weather Radio, all hazards. Receiver in perfect working order. Warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous weather watches and warnings for the following counties. Official National Weather Service forecast. Baltimore, Caroline, Seattle, Dorchester, Hartford, Howard, Kent, Queen Anne's, and Talbot counties, Baltimore City, and Chesapeake Bay north of Drum Point. The entire state of Delaware, including Delaware Bay but not including the adjacent Atlantic coastal waters. In New Jersey, Cumberland and Salem. And in Pennsylvania, Chester. This concludes the weekly test of NOAA Weather Radio, all hazards. Station WXK97 in Somersville, Maryland. Thank you for listening to NOAA Weather Radio, all hazards. Here is the area.
It went at exactly 11:30 today. Awesome.